Hello everyone. So in this video we will going to discuss about the swap technique, and we will write the script where we will demonstrate how to reverse a list using a swap technique. So if you can see, the formula for the swap technique is very simple. We are just moving the element from the 0 1 index to 1 0, like it's the just we are changing the order of the elements. Okay, so let's go back to some code. Here consider I am having and list of 5 elements, like you can see apple, banana, mango, cinnamon and cherry. And let's discuss the logic again, like how we want to achieve. And like in the while describing all this swap technique, I mentioned like we want to traverse the list up to the half of the element. Okay, like here you can see like we are having, considering the index 1 2, if you see 1 2 3 4 5, so the total length is 5, which is odd. Okay, so if you divide and if you find the half, it will be the 2.5. Okay, so like 2.5 it's between the mangoes, so we can't use that, so we'll use the floor division. So what the floor division does, it takes the lower boundary value and it will discard all the floats, so it will have just 2. Okay, so now consider we are having a list of, I'm just giving the index value 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, and I want to traverse the list to the half of it. Okay, if it is a even case, to n by 2 if it's even. Okay, and up to n floor division 2 if it's odd. Okay, so here if we can see, it's having the odd number, so we are using floor division, which is a 2 value, so we will traverse up to 0 and 1 position only. Okay, and what we will do in the first step, we will just move apple to the cherry position. Okay, so here we will have apple, and we will move cherry to at the start. And now at the step 2, we will just move banana to the end. Okay, so you will have banana here, and we will move the cinnamon to the second index, and we will left this second element untouched in case of odd elements. Okay, so this is a quick reverse, and now we can start coding. Okay. I'm just clearing up the window. So let's first print over the elements we have here, like fruits. If we print, so you can see here like we have all the 5 elements present here. And as I discussed, like I want to traverse all the element till the floor division in the case of odd number of elements. So like if we are having the length as a odd, so we will use the floor division. Okay, and here you can see like fruits of I, comma, fruits of I minus 1. So I will explain why I am using the -1 here. Okay, and we want the last element, so we are using the negative index, and we will just change the value here, and we are done. Like that's all, and let us run this code for sorry, we have forget to use the in operator. Okay, yep. So our code is executed, and we can now print the fruits again, and we can see our list has been swapped. We are having the cherry at the first, we are having cinnamon, then we are having mango, we are having banana, and at the last we are having apple. So let's discuss few concepts in the code that we can see here. Like the first one, you can see here we are using a range. So what does this range does? When we are using a range of like 4, it will generate as the value 0, 1, comma 2, comma 3. It will generate the 4 integer values of the step 1 by default. You can change the step if you want, else you can use the step it is provided by default. Then we are having the flow division as we are discussed. Like here, if you are having a 5 element, flow division of 2 will return you just 2, not 2.5. Okay, and then we are using the fruits of I and fruits of minus I minus 1. So now consider here at the step 1, like we are starting from we are having here the 2, so we will have just 0 and 1 in our range. Okay, so at 0, it's fruits of 0, it's taking the fruits of 0 index, and fruits of minus 0 minus 1. Okay, so which is equal to minus 1. So minus 1, what will do in the list, it will be go to the last index. Okay, and we using this position we can just swap the elements. Okay, now consider next step 1. Now we are having here minus 1 and minus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So this one is 0 1 and this one is minus 2. So this negative indexing we can use to reverse while swapping the element, and just it's like a one line of code to reverse a list, and it can demonstrate a lot of your ability. Like you are using the swap technique. First of all, you are traversing the half of the list elements. Okay, and you are demonstrating the Pythonic way using one liner swap. Okay, so for this video, like we can stop here, and in the next video we can discuss new problem and we can demonstrate how we can achieve and solve in very effective way in an interview. Meanwhile, thank you.